greetings to everyone. On this auspicious occasion of Children's Day, a very happy Children's Day to my dear students. Being the principal of the school, I take the opportunity to thank you all to be present virtually on this auspicious occasion. Today, on 14th November, we celebrate Children's Day to remember the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On his daily schedule, he used to be found out. At that time, he used to be so much busy as a Prime Minister of India. Then also, he gives some time to the students in everyday schedule of his work. That's why today we are celebrating to remember him, his birthday as a Children's Day, his love and affection. Various schools like us celebrate this function. Now in this COVID situation, we are celebrating virtually in the same way with lot of enthusiasm and motivation. Other schools are also celebrating virtually today. Our teachers too collectively arranged many activities for the children to make them happy on this auspicious day. So I wish on this auspicious day to our dearest little ones and all the students of not only of our school, of whole country, a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Happy Children's Day. We, the citizen of India, celebrate Children's Day on every year, 14th of November, on very special birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So, on these special occasions, I would like to quote very funny and very happy lines for you all, my dear students. Be wild, be a child. Jump, play, and take a ride. Smile wide. Keep your phone aside. Give the kids your precious time. Give them wings, let them soar. As little, they won't be for very long. Have fun and enjoy their day. Let them have it their way. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Very good morning to respected Principal Sir, my dear colleagues and my beloved students. On this auspicious occasion of Children's Day, I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for being able to be your teacher and impart you the knowledge that can probably help you become a better individual with each passing year. At this juncture, what we see is history is calling upon us. From world wars to global pandemics, as matured individuals, we have seen that global leaders have come together, thought of ways and means to sign pacts or negotiate deals, and cooperatively devise ways of finding a solution to rebuild, recuperate the economy that was ailing at that point of time. However, COVID-19 is one such global pandemic that has affected individuals of every sect, religion, class, ethnicity, gender, and any segregation. But most so, children are the worst affected. Some of them are furthermore hit because of their situation of being born in poverty or belonging to any particular ethnicity or class or race. What we as teachers and as champions of the cause of education for all could do is collectively devise means and think of ways of taking education to such children so that they become the face of our nation just as we dream them to be. On this Children's Day and many more to come, let us make a promise that we, the teachers, will make this world a better place for our children where they can thrive safely, securely, and be able to learn and grow and be happy. Happy Children's Day once again.
माँ की कहानी थी, बड़ियों का फसाना था। बारिश भी वो कागज की नाव थी, वो हर मौसम सुहाना था। प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
শিশু দিবস উপলক্ষে আমার ছোট্ট একটি নিবেদন কবি ভবানী প্রসাদ মজুমদারের লেখা জীবন জয় মরণ ভয়। ডাস্টবিনে কেউ ফেলে দিয়ে গেল এঁটো কাটা শাল পাতা, মাংসের হাড়, আধ খাওয়া লুচি, চিবনো মাছের মাথা। নিমেষে লাফিয়ে পড়ল 5টা কুকুর, 7টা মানুষ। পাশ দিয়ে হাটে বিশাল মিছিল, সজ্জিত খোকা কুকুর, হাতে ফেস্টুন, কণ্ঠ তাদের বলিষ্ঠ ভয়হীন। আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয় একদিন। একটা বালক বস্তা কাঁধে কুড়োচ্ছিল ঘুরে, ময়লা কাগজ, ছেঁড়া পলিথিন আসা রাস্তা করে। হঠাৎ কারা তুলল আওয়াজ, ওই তো ছেলে ধরা। তারপর কি কিল, খুশি, চর, লাথিতে প্রায় মরা। একটা পাগল উঠল চেঁচিয়ে, ওর জীবনের দাম দে। We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. এ হাতে রক্ত গোলাপ গুচ্ছ, ও হাতে রজনীগন্ধা। সিগন্যালে গাড়ি থামলে হেসে ছুটে যেত মধুছন্দা। ফুল নেবে বাবু, মালা নেবে মাগো, দাঁড়াতো 2 হাত মেলে। একদিন এক আধুনিকা লেডি দিল তারে ঠেলে ফেলে। গেল 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 উঠল আওয়াজ, থেতো মাংসের তাল। রজনীগন্ধা গোলাপ বালিকা পিষে মিশে লালে লাল। শহীদ মিনারে শিশু দিবসে বাজছে বিজয় বিন। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। थैंक यू।
बाल दिवस 14 नवंबर हमारे स्वाधीन भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी को श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए हर साल हम बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। नेहरू जी को बच्चों से बहुत प्यार था तथा उन्होंने बच्चों से बहुत ही प्यारा बंधन साझा था। बच्चे भी इसी कारण उनसे बहुत प्यार करते थे और उन्हें प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहकर पुकारते। नेहरू जी हमेशा एक बात कहा करते थे, आज के बच्चे कल का भारत बनाएंगे। इसी कारणवश वो चाहते थे कि उनका शिक्षा तथा उनका पालन पोषण बहुत ही अच्छे से हो। आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Wishing all a happy Children's Day. I am taking a A4 sheet and making a Nehru cap. So follow me.
Thank you.
Sons, who are you? From where you have learned this art of archery? Who is your guru?
My name is Eklavya Gurudev. I am an Adivasi. You are my guru.
But Gurudev, you have never taught us this art of archery and you have made this Adivasi your disciple.
Gurudev, this is injustice to the Pandavas.
Yes, yes.
But you have never been my disciple.
Gurudev, I went to you to learn this archery, but you refused me, saying that my caste does not permit this art. But since then, I treat you as my guru.
Okay, I will consider you as my disciple only if you will pay Guru Dakshina.
But what an Adivasi can give you, Gurudev?
Fine. Cut your right hand thumb and pay your homage.
Gurudev,
What happened? Just few minutes before you were saying that you are going to give your whole life to your guru as Guru Dakshina, and now you can't able to cut a little part of your body.
no, Gurudev, I will pay. I will pay. I will sacrifice my thumb to you as Guru Dakshina, Gurudev.
Ayushman Bhava.
बहु मनोरथ साजु अभिसारे पहलु सुनिबे काजर नयने सगज बयाने कुसुमे सजनु के सखी हम मोहन अभिसारे जाऊं बोलो हम ए तक सुख कहाँ पाऊं